by members of parliament insulting the head of state personally. 2, we are gathered here today to tell the president that there is a traitor in his government. And it is time now the machineries of this country start looking into that situation where we as leaders are seeing it coming. I want to ask you, what is the pain, so much pain, with the members of parliament insulting the president? There must be a hidden agenda. And what we are saying as leaders, we are supporting the president and Raila Odinga's.
Thank you. Thank you for believing in our great city of Nairobi and contributing to its economic and social growth at a pace that puts us on the world map. Thank you for keeping the peace of this great city. As we celebrate our city's great achievement, let us remember that there is still work to be done. You still have needs, dreams, desires, and hopes for this city, and you are gained from it. I'm here to serve you. I want to help you achieve those needs. I was born in the Narok. At the time it was but a small village. The boy who married in the capital from the village, my attitude changed to one of being a servant to the people of this great city, hence my entry into the council. This opportunity you have given me epitomizes my dream to serve. So one can say, I have achieved my dream. It just so happens to be one that put me in a position to enable you to achieve yours. I hereby declare that I am answerable to you. You have the right to share your needs, and I'll do my utmost best to ensure they are met. The city of Nairobi to appreciate its name. May I take this early opportunity to tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, that politics aside, work begins. I'll be a very, very heartbroken man indeed if we are going to be of a political class but not thinking of the people who have elected you.